Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Excuse the hair. I'm back again with a Discovery Japan box, and this is from BOKKSU. Pretty sure that's what it's called. It's called BOKKSU, and they sent this to me. Yeah, let's dive right into it, and I'm excited to see what's in the box. This is their April 2018 Blossom Spring theme box. As you know, Japan in April or in the springtime, the cherry blossom trees blossom gorgeously, and that is the main reason why I want to go. And then it gives a little blurb about the blossoming spring. It's time for Hanami, which is cherry blossom viewing. So it's fruit picking and fresh start. Every year Japan celebrates spring by coming out with the annual cherry blossom bloom. Wow, that's so crazy. So these are like a snack about cherry blossoming, springing around the corner. So this is what the box looks like. Comes with a bunch of this, and the first, I should probably read. I should probably look at this while I'm picking out these snacks. So this is spring rice cake cracker. This is what it looks like. Oh, that just looks gorgeous. These are spring rice cake crackers. They're like shaped like flowers. And then the next item are Sakura chocolate crepes. Wow, it's in this. I will open this for you guys in a second. Crispy crepe rolled up and rolled in sweet flour chocolate. Sounds delicious. And this item is how do I not know? Harajuku column. Harajuku column. Did I get something else? Oh, just kidding, I found it. So these are baked chocolate strawberries in this bag. Look at how cute all these bags are. They're all pink. I'm just pretty much in love with pink at the moment. And then this one broke. Sad. This is hand-baked butter senbei. It's also a wheat soy. This is a rich rice cracker with buttery flavor. And then the next item is white strawberry, and this is each strawberry is first freeze dried and it's soaked in white chocolate for a balance of soft and crunchy. That's exciting. And then this is also broken. So this is it's ume sable. I'm just gonna put the word there. So this is a flower-shaped sable contained with chopped plum and shiso perilla leaves. It's like a soury plum with a sweet taste buttery cookie. And then this is a sakura shrimp. This is sakura shrimp kakimochi. That is a airy and crispy mochi with delicate flavor. Cool. And then this item is sakura rusk. It's twice baked in the oven with a sakura butter. You enjoy the mild hint of a cherry blossom in this baguette slice. Wow, I would want coffee with this. It's a baguette slice. Wait, or tea. What do they eat this with? I don't know, but oh my gosh, it sounds so amazing. And then this is a slim bag. This is a chip bag. I got this. This is called a Sapa Mucho Stick Sour Plum. So this is a crispy potato stick sweetened with tangy sour plum seasoning. Sweet and salty and sour, all in one bite. Absolutely addictive. And then lastly, this is a Sakura Love Tea. Okay, I might have to try this with the baguette. This is their fresh cherry tea, perfect for the spring. I can't wait to try this out for you guys. I'm probably gonna have a very collective video of all of this for you guys, but most of the things I'm gonna try out right now for you. With that, with all of the chips and the food opened up, let's go ahead and give it a try. This is their spring rice cracker. What is this? This is delicious. Okay, Disclaimer, if you don't eat Asian chips or Asian candies, I don't think you'll like it. Because I feel like Asian cracker has a very distinct taste to it. So, very interesting. But I do like this. The aftertaste is very weird. It's like salty. It's literally rice cracker. If you ever had any Asian rice cracker, this is what it is. I will find a picture of a rice cracker that I always eat and what it tastes exactly like. This is a half-baked butter. Okay, so this also tastes like this Chinese candy that I had when I was little. Not candy, cracker. That I love. And it's oval, like really small and oval. Okay, I have to show you guys a picture. So good. So I would say it is very buttery. It doesn't taste like butter, but it has like a strong kind of taste to it. Next is this shrimp cracker. Interesting texture. So the inside is very soft. The outside is hard, and the inside is like fluffy. Doesn't have a taste to it. It's like nothing to me. It's like a plain chip. It's like original Lay's. A white strawberry dried. Whoa, this is so interesting. You guys, it's crazy. This is strawberry dried out, like I said, and then oh my gosh, I can't. It's like at the tip of my tongue when you know what it tastes like, but you can't remember what it tastes like. Okay, so that white strawberry is so delicious. It has a very strong strawberry taste. It's like white chocolate and strawberry smashed into one. So if you remember what that candy is, please put it down in the comments below because I cannot remember. But it's delicious. I would definitely buy 100 of those. The next is the Sakura chocolate crepe. And this, that strawberry thing is still getting to me right now. Ooh, so it's like a white pink chocolate bar. Oh, very light and soft. It's like a wafer, chocolate wafer. So if you ever had like those chocolate cigarette candy, because that's cigarette, chocolate wafer, and it's like a long roll. It's like this long, and it's just like a skinny little tube, kind of like a cigarette, I guess you can say. Asian kids make it a cigarette. And that's just kind of what it tastes like. It's like a wafer, chocolate wafer. This is the baked chocolate strawberry. Let's open this up. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. Very soft, crunchy. It's like every chocolate candy you've ever had. That's what all these strawberry chocolate tastes like, literally. This one is their ume sable. I think it's also a cracker. Let's see. It's just a cracker. Interesting cracker. It does have like a plum taste, and I'm not a fan of plum, so probably not my favorite. Okay, let's go with the chips. That's addictive. Wow, these are a lot thinner than I expected them to be. Can you see them? Oh my gosh. They're very strong taste. Like I said, plum, and I'm not a fan of plum, but it's not bad because it's still salty, and I love saltiness. It's also sweet at the same time. This says it's sweet, salty, and sour all at the same time, and that's exactly what it is. I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. It's like eating the last pieces of your fries. Very crunchy, a lot of flavor, very mixed emotions. So yeah, that is all my opinion on it. They're all great so far. I would definitely give this box a 4 out of 5 just because they didn't give me a Pocky strawberry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me on discovering Japan and opening BOKKSU. I hope that you guys will check it out. Like I said, just go to their website and click in to see what they're all about and get yourself your own bag of goodies and enjoy. So like I said, I'm very excited to try all this Japanese food because I love Japan and I've been wanting to go there. So this was a great way to discover and be a little bit more in touch with their culture and the food they eat and who they are. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!